Dementia, or a condition that can include loss of memory, language, problem-solving, and other thinking abilities, affects around 53 million people in the world. Although dementia can be influenced by uncontrollable factors such as age and genetics, lifestyle factors are also significant, can play a role in both the development and the management of this devastating condition in many cases. Dementia is a progressive condition that affects memory, thinking, and behavior, and can also impact a person's quality of life in their later years. Despite the fact that there is no known cure for dementia, there are some drinks that may help you reduce the risk of developing the condition. 1. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can help you protect brain cells from damage and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can help you improve cognitive function. 1. Red wine. Red wine contains resveratrol, a compound that has been revealed to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. However, it is important to drink red wine in moderation, as drinking too much alcohol can increase the risk of cognitive decline. Excessive consumption may harm brain health over time, affecting memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. 1. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented dairy drink that is loaded with live and active cultures. Some data shows that kefir consumption may help improve cognitive deficits, thanks to the live cultures playing a positive role in systemic inflammation, oxidative stress, and blood cell damage. 1. Coffee. Coffee is a good source of caffeine, which has been shown to improve cognitive function and also reduce the risk of dementia. The antioxidants found in coffee help protect brain cells, and these beverages may contribute to a lower risk of dementia when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.